All right, guys, made it to the lake. We got Mac gonna back us in. It is a beautiful morning. It's like 40 degrees and dead calm, so it's probably one of the coldest mornings in a while, but yeah. There's the man, the myth, the legend, Mac.
What's up, fellas?
We are ready to have an absolute day today. Last day in Wisconsin together. It's been a great season so far. Lots of awesome big fish, so hopefully get on a couple giants today. We're gonna spend the entire day from 7 o'clock to 7 o'clock, so.
Yeah.
Can't wait, but yeah, it's gonna be awesome. We'll talk to you guys when we get in the water. We are at the lake. We're just gonna start fishing right away. We're in basically the spot I want to try. Super, super nice out. It's like super tight. Do that. It's like in your eardrums, dude. Like, wow. There you go. There we go, folks. Mac gets his first shot of the day. Awesome.
Oh my gosh. Giant. Giant.
Catch anything?
Nothing too crazy yet. You guys?
No, us too. There we go, folks. Good back. Little guy, but it's a fish. Don't mind it.
With no wind, yeah.
Yes!
Finally, dude.
Yes!
Finally.
Dude, come on, that was sick.
That was awesome.
Hopefully you can see that on GoPro. Oh,
Yeah.
that was so cool.
Oh, barely. Let's go, dude. Awesome. Hopefully you guys saw it on camera, but basically
It looks
just
like they're spawned out.
trying to get them. Oh my gosh. This guy hasn't eaten in weeks. Basically just trying to get him to bite like that.
Yep.
That worked. Awesome. That was cool. Right, let's do it again.
Biggin, dude. Oh man. Biggin. Biggin. Yeah. Give me that. Let's go, folks. we do it right there, folks. Big fish on a swim jig. I found them where they're at, don't worry. Mac will be back shortly if I catch one more giant. Alright, wanna get pick? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright, folks. Probably like a 3 something.
3, 2.
Something like that. Yeah, I'm turning up here, Mac. You better get. Yep. Beauty. So cool. Oh, how cool was that, folks? Literally saw that fish pitch right to him. That's how aggressive these fish are on this back line. Nice broad too, something. Beauty. Nice, that was so cool. Pitched it and hammered it. Wow. That's how you know they're biting on their back doing that. You can literally knock them and they're still gonna bite. There you go, another one. Nice one too. Yes. Let's go into the fish. Beauty. Probably another 2-pounder. Dude, they're hammering this thing. Found this one. Beauty. Nice fish there. There we go. That was a sick bite. Rolled it right off that patch right there. And just stinking clobbered it. Nice one too. Oops. Dropped him. Just so much activity up in here, it's insane right now. Holy sh! He's dead.
Killed him?
What's that?
Killed him?
Oh no, he's alive.
I could hear it coming at me.
Dude, this is insane. Look how shallow I am right now. Open your eyes. Folks, they are in this stuff. It's insane. Got him? Right? Oh, bass. Yes. Alright, fish. Beauty. He comes back from the dungeons of the creamery, gets a stinking big one. Alright folks, that'll conclude today's episode. Thank you guys for watching. We caught him decent today. Not really the best day. Mac is in shambles, so I didn't have my partner in crime. But yeah, concludes the Great Wisconsin Series. So main player today was definitely the swim jig. 1/4 ounce outcast perch. And yeah, it was a pretty decent day. So we're gonna head home, and we'll talk to you guys hopefully Minnesota opener in about a week here. So stay tuned.